Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to change your player playstyles in club mode. In the beginning, enter clubs and go to My Pro. Find Archetypes and edit. Enter playstyles, and here you can adjust signature playstyles and add new playstyles. To unlock playstyles, you have to gain AP. To gain AP, you have to play matches and finish objectives. You can have 4 playstyles, except signature playstyles. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.